Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. Hit snooze. Press the snooze button. Sometimes I hit snooze and go back to sleep. Sleep in. Stay in bed later than usual. I want to sleep in, but I have work. Slip on. Put something on quickly. I slip on my slippers. Make up. Arrange a bed neatly. I make up my bed to keep the room tidy. Freshen up. Clean yourself to feel refreshed. I splash cold water on my face to freshen up. Dry off. Remove water from body. I dry off with a towel. Comb through. Arrange or fix hair. I comb through my tangled hair. Tie back. Tie hair backwards. I tie back my hair in a ponytail. Pick out. Choose. I pick out my outfit for the day. Try on. To wear something to see if it fits. I try on 2 shirts before deciding. Button up. Fasten buttons. I button up my jeans. Zip up. Fasten a zipper. I zip up my jacket. Put in. Insert something. I put in my earrings. Head into. To go inside a place. I head into the kitchen to make breakfast. Whip up. Prepare quickly. I whip up some scrambled eggs. Warm up. Warm something. I warm up leftover food in the microwave. Boil over. Spill while boiling. I watch the milk closely so it doesn't boil over. Chow down on. Eat enthusiastically. I chow down on my breakfast. Eat up. Finish all food. I eat up everything on my plate. Chill out. Relax. I chill out for a minute with coffee. Clean up. Tidy a space. After eating, I clean up the kitchen. Run out of. Use all of something. I realize I've run out of milk, so I add it to my list. Jot down. Write quickly. I jot down some tasks in my to-do list. Scroll through. Move through content. I scroll through messages on my phone. Put together. Organize items into a bag. I put together my things for work. Log in. Sign into a device. I log in to check emails. Put on. To wear something. I put on my shoes before leaving. Head out. Leave home. I head out for the day. Lock up. Lock doors or windows. I lock up before leaving. Drop off. Take someone somewhere. I drop off my kids to school. Hop into. To get into a car or vehicle quickly. Then I hop into the car. Drive off. To start driving and leave a place. I drive off after dropping my kids. Turn on. To start a device. I turn on the radio in the car. Show up. To arrive or appear at a place. I finally show up at the office, ready for the day.